Welcome to the top best. The best solar power systems is probably one of the most exciting advancements in sustainable energy. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of off-grid solar power, exploring how these systems work, the benefits they offer, and what you need to know before making the switch. Whether you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint, increase your energy independence, or simply save money on your electricity bill, this guide will provide you with all the essential information. Number 5. ExpertPower 2.5 kWh Solar Power Kit. This kit is designed for off-grid living. It includes everything you need to harness the power of the sun and store it for later use. The heart of the system is the LiFePO4 battery, known for its long lifespan and safety. It offers thousands of cycles and a decade of reliable service, with a built-in battery management system for protection. The kit includes two 12V 100Ah LiFePO4 batteries, solar panels, an inverter charger, and a charge controller. All the necessary cables and mounting brackets are also provided. The battery features built-in Bluetooth, allowing you to monitor its status on your smartphone. You can easily track the charge level, temperature, and any protection warnings. The MPPT charge controller maximizes power generation from your solar panels. It intelligently tracks and captures solar energy, improving efficiency by over 20% compared to traditional methods. The included inverter charger is designed to work with various battery types. It also features UPS functionality, seamlessly switching between shore power and battery power. What we like. This system features Bluetooth battery monitoring, allowing you to easily track your battery's performance on your phone. It also boasts a high-efficiency MPPT controller, maximizing solar power generation. And with its built-in UPS functionality, it seamlessly switches between power sources. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly off-grid solution with advanced monitoring, you should consider this. What people say. They do have a high-quality product. This system works extremely well. I like that it's the complete deal: solar panels, 400 watts, two 100Ah Li batteries, and a 3000W inverter that picks up the work when the grid goes down. Number 4. ExpertPower 5 kWh Solar Power Kit. Introducing the newest battery from ExpertPower, the top seller on Amazon. This LiFePO4 battery offers a long lifespan with a built-in battery management system for protection. This battery provides 2500 to 7000 cycles and a 10-year lifespan. The built-in battery management system protects it from various issues. It also has a low temp cutoff to prevent charging under 23 degrees Fahrenheit. This off-grid solar system kit includes everything you need. It comes with batteries, solar panels, an inverter charger, and a solar charge controller. Cables and mounting brackets are also included. The controller can work with or without a BMS. It has multiple protection features, including overvoltage and overcharge protection. This ensures the safety of your system. The 40A MPPT controller maximizes power generation. It uses advanced tracking to increase power by over 20% compared to other controllers. It also auto-detects 12V 24V systems. The ExpertPower inverter charger meets the needs of all battery systems. It has 8 profiles and built-in UPS functionality. It switches between power sources in just 5 milliseconds. What we like. This kit offers an enhanced battery capacity, providing more power for your needs. It also includes an advanced MPPT controller for optimal solar energy harvesting. Furthermore, it features a high-efficiency inverter charger. If you need a robust and powerful off-grid system for extended use, you should consider this. What people say. The system is easy to install. The system works great and is very efficient. The design is very user-friendly. Number 3. ExpertPower 1.3 kWh Solar Power Kit. Introducing the ExpertPower 1.3 kWh Solar Power Kit. This kit is designed for RVs, trailers, campers, marine applications, and off-grid living. It provides a reliable and efficient power solution for various needs. At the heart of the system is the LiFePO4 battery, offering 2500 to 7000 cycles and a 10-year lifespan. It includes a battery management system, BMS, for protection against various issues. The low self-discharge rate ensures maintenance-free storage for up to a year. The kit includes a 12V100Ah LiFePO4 Bluetooth battery, 400W monocrystalline solar panels, a 2000W pure sine wave inverter charger, and a 30A MPPT solar charge controller. It also comes with all necessary cables and mounting brackets. The built-in Bluetooth allows you to easily track the battery level on your phone. You can monitor the state of charge, temperature, and other protection warnings. It also supports expansion up to 4 batteries. The 30A MPPT controller maximizes power generation by over 20% compared to PWM controllers. It auto-detects 12V 24V systems. This ensures efficient energy capture from your solar panels. The pure sine wave inverter 40A charger is designed to meet the needs of all battery systems. It features 8 profiles and built-in UPS functionality. It switches between shore power and battery power in just 5 milliseconds. What we like. This system is compact yet efficient, making it ideal for various applications. It also features Bluetooth battery monitoring for easy tracking. Plus, it includes built-in UPS functionality for seamless power transitions. If you like a balance of performance and portability, you should consider this. What people say. The system is easy to install. The system is working great. The system is well designed. Number 2. Flexible Solar Panel 100W12V. This solar panel uses advanced tiling ribbon technology. This improves the effective area and power generation, while also eliminating cell gaps for increased module efficiency. With 9-bus bar technology, this panel reduces current loss and improves output power. Compared to others, it performs better in low light conditions. The circular ribbon design maximizes light absorption for increased energy generation. This flexible panel offers excellent reliability and achieves a 23% conversion efficiency. Designed with a 45-degree bending design, it maximizes light capture while protecting the chip. This makes it ideal for uneven surfaces and load-sensitive structures. It's only 0.08 inches thin and weighs just 4.2 pounds, making it easy to transport and install. Metal reinforcement mounting holes help secure it on various surfaces. This 100W solar panel is built to withstand extreme weather, including high winds and snow loads. It also features industry-leading IP68 water resistance, ready for any conditions. It's perfect for 12-volt battery charging, and multiple panels can be connected in series or parallel. The MC4 connectors provide secure and stable connections for your off-grid system. What we like. This flexible solar panel is designed to be lightweight and easy to install on various surfaces. It also offers a high conversion efficiency, maximizing energy generation. Moreover, it's durable and weather-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you have uneven surfaces or limited space, you should consider this. What people say. The system is easy to install. The system is working great. The system is well designed. Number 1. ECO-worthy 200W Solar Panel Starter Kit. This complete solar kit from ECO-worthy is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start using solar power, with all the necessary accessories for easy connection. It's ideal for RVs, campers, and cabins. With this kit, you can expect around 800 Wh of daily output, assuming about 4 hours of sunlight. The components are carefully matched to ensure you get the most out of your solar power without any waste. The solar panels are built with a durable aluminum frame and tempered glass, designed for long-term outdoor use. They are compact and can withstand high winds and snow loads, ensuring they last for years. The kit includes a LiFePO4 battery, which can be recharged thousands of times. This is significantly more than traditional lead-acid batteries, providing a much longer lifespan for the system. The included 600W pure sine wave inverter converts DC power to AC with over 92% efficiency. This reduces energy loss and provides clean power for your devices. It can also handle peak surges during startup. What we like. This kit is complete and beginner-friendly, including all necessary components for easy setup. It also features durable and efficient solar panels for reliable power generation. Additionally, it includes a long-life LiFePO4 battery for extended use. If you are new to off-grid solar and want an all-in-one solution, you should consider this. What people say. I bought these for my RV, and though I didn't set them up yet, I noticed that all I originally received from Amazon was the inverter. My wife and I were able to set the entire thing up over a dedicated afternoon. It took about 3 to 4 hours to get everything installed. I hooked it up for my outside cabana with TV, sound bar, fan, and small fridge. Everything is working great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.